Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you, how to delete Instagram Reels video.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
After sharing your Instagram Reels, you may feel like delete them from your account. Watch this full video to learn how you can delete these. To begin, open the Instagram app. Go to your profile, from the bottom right corner. From your profile, go to the Reels tab. Then select the video, which you want to delete. Now tap on the three dots, at the bottom of your screen. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on, Delete. From the confirmation window, tap on, Delete. That's it. The reel has been deleted. So in this way, you can delete Instagram Reels video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.